Now, conventional weapons have no effect on this thing, and we all know nukes ain't an option.
Sure they are. But it's
No, wait! I'm not gonna kid you, Mr. President. These are dark times. The odds are against us. We need a Hail Mary pass. We need raw power. We need monsters.
Monsters, of course. It's so simple.
I'm not following you.
Over the last 50 years, I have captured monsters on the rampage and locked them up in a secret prison facility. So secret that the mere mention of its name is a federal offense.
Is he referring to Area 52?
Mr. President, say hello to Insectosaurus. Miss Ronson, please. Here we have the missing link. 20,000-year-old frozen fishman who was thawed out by scientists. He escaped. This handsome fellow is Dr. Cockroach, Ph.D. Now, we call this thing Wow. Someone get her out of here! Thank you. And our latest edition, Norman.
General, continue.
Her entire body radiates with pure energy, giving her enormous strength and size. Sir, these monsters are our best and only chance to defeat that robot.
Don't we already have an alien problem, General? I don't think we need a monster problem, too.
You got a better idea, nerd.
Okay, there we are. General, I propose we go forward with your monsters versus aliens idea thingy.